What is up? Back with another video. Today is the day I do a front flip. I decided not to make it elevated because I'm a little bit of a scaredy freak. But I hope you guys enjoyed the last video I made. The DIY do-it-yourself front tuckleberry flip. I was a farmer, born and raised, so it's never front or back, it's tuckleberry. Tuckleberry front back. Tuckleberry somersault. Tuckleberry berry. Tuckleberry. But be very careful. Just want to get that cardio going. You really want to get those calories burnt before you start the front flip. Frontal berry, buckle, bum, whatever. Front. Well, guess you can't say I didn't do it. Just didn't land it. Hurt my left butt cheek. Which is totally normal. We just do it again. You have two butt cheeks for a reason. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, hurt my right butt cheek too. But that's okay. That's why we have these cheeks. Just to be sitting on my face. Just got the visual of that, but that's okay because we're all kings and queens. Or if you're 5, a pink unicorn. Okay, I know what you're thinking. I'm just distracting myself from the task at hand, which is totally legitimate because that's exactly what I'm doing. But as far as I'm concerned, my mission is accomplished. I did a tuckleberry front tuckle. And now it's your job to do a frontal berry tuck buckle. Comment down below if this has helped. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want another video. But if you don't, this will be the last video forever. I'll be gone. I won't ever come back to YouTube. It's very emotional for me. Being a farm boy, I woke up really early at like, what was it, 9 a.m. in the morning, and like it was straight to the cows. Mutina, Bessie, Beatrice, Barbara, and Brittany, all 5 of them, man, in the morning they had to go and I had to be the one to, but the chickens were also a little hard. I mean, the eggs were hard. I had to deal with that, and the crops of course needed work. And if you turn on that notification, it'll help sponsor my Maserati. And that's my life goal. It's who I am. I came from a rough area. I came from a rough time, and it was really hard for me to I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was really hard for me to save up for this iPhone 6 so that I could record. And I, of course, had to pay for my bachelor's degree in flexibility and physiology and stuntology. And I had to milk cows for 20 years. And all I wanted was a Maserati so I could drive down in the rodeo in my Maserati sports car.